Hey viewers, welcome back to our last video in this series. Need I say more? So your parts count is going to be here, which you can see our little pile of parts. You're also going to have two little grommets. I know it's hard to see, but trust me, they fit very nice into this plastic cover. So let's go ahead and get this started. Okay, so before you put the air box on, you want to make sure that this gasket here is pressed in with the ribbed side facing the air box, and then you want to account for these little grommets, and we'll simply place them into the fan shroud like such. Then, theoretically, hopefully, line up the two studs with the fuel line. Okay, that fit very nice. All right, on the top, excuse me, we're only going to put these two flange nuts. We're just going to leave them kind of finger tight for now. Once that's finished up, we're going to put these two washers into the air box, and it takes kind of standard M6 bolts that you're very used to from your other engine. So we'll just start those with our fingers. Oh boy. Then we're going to take these bolts with the kind of goofy looking double extra wide flange built into them, and we're going to put those two back here. Tighten everything down. Alright, at that point we're simply going to install the fan, and unlike the 630, you can put this fan on any direction that you want. So if you put it on upside down like such, you get probably like 2 more horsepower out of it. So again, I'm not sure why that is like that on the other engine, but it is, and that's how it shall be. And lastly, we're going to go ahead and put the air filter in. So we'll put it in with the pleated side obviously facing up, because duh, right? And then when we put this mesh over the top, we want to make sure it completely covers all of the blue. And then this guy is going to go in, and then we'll take our two little wing nuts, I guess you call them. And it will have a little tiny bit of spring to it and all that other good stuff. So we'll just put those two in first. Kind of seeing a theme as far as that's concerned, I suppose. Thread them down, all zippy zap like. There we go. Well, there you got it, folks. That is your complete, all taken apart and all put back together, GXV-530 engine rebuilding or tear down, whatever you happen to want to call it, video tutorial series. So with that being said, these videos take a ton of time to produce, and I always appreciate a thumbs up. If you want to give me a thumbs down, hit it twice and go find something else to do. Thanks for watching.